Hi guys, and today I'm Sabrina, and I'm showing you how to make your own EO mix. That you can also use it as a perfume, and also this is the one that I have at home, and these are the oils that I have. So first I'm gonna show you the ones that I'm gonna use. So what I'm going to use is this one. I'm going to use this one and this one. So, and after everything, I can just use this because it will be great for my perfume. So first, we have a little bottle to put every oil inside. So first, I'm going to open this and I'm going to add it. That's all that we're adding. Next, we are going to add this one into our mix. Okay. And last one, I'm going to be using this. This is the smallest, so I have to be careful with this. Okay, 3 drops went in there, so that's how much I need. And then next step, I'm just to make our perfume prettier, we're gonna add like these little things into our oils. They're actually making my oil prettier because of like all the sparkle, and also it's gonna look way prettier with these in it, so I'm gonna like it with these. I only put in 6. I could maybe even use like a little more of these oils, but I'm not sure if I could. Okay, I will. So I added 2 more drops of these because I kind of put a lot of this last time, but it wasn't too much. This one I added too much, so I'm not going to use it. I think I should use a little more only because this one last time I didn't add a lot. Now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to smell. Smells good. Which means now we add this one, which is our last thing to add. And also, now I have to be really careful with this. To fill it all up, I'm going to use this. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm almost there. Okay, that's all I needed about that one. Now I just need to add that there. Now I add this little top part because it is good for me to use. And then also after that part we use the tap. So I'm gonna add it in there. There, add it. And then add this one. I am just going to shake it a little bit like this. And then I'm gonna add it here. And I'm gonna smell it. It smells super good. Bye guys!